What's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. Today I am bringing to you a unboxing, or I guess it's like an unwrapping, unbagging, I don't know. Anyways, picked up an Arcteryx Beta LT Hadron. LT standing for lightweight. There's three different versions. There's the regular beta, there's the version of the LT, and then there's the Hadron version. So this is supposed to be the lightest one. I believe it is about 9 ounces, and the next one it's over to be 10 ounces, and then the next one over that is like 13 ounces, something like that. Price difference, this one's $450, or yeah, it's $450, then it's $399, then it's $350. All right, so I'm just gonna open this up. The biggest difference is the material that is used. The Hadron uses the Hadron LCP material, which is supposed to be a lot more durable and a lot more lightweight. Something that I do notice is that right off the bat, there's like grit lines on this. I've never seen a jacket with grit lines. Usually it's on the bags that you would get, like if you use X-Pack. Those usually have grit lines for durability. I'm not sure if that's the same concept for this. Feels really light. All right, I got it in medium. It is a very, very fancy feeling jacket. Wow, look at this. So again, this is in a medium form. It is super light, super comfortable. Holy hell. Well, as you can see, the Arcteryx logo, it is nice and shiny. I'm guessing this is some sort of reflector. Much more lighter. Can't say much about the breathability yet because I haven't obviously taken it out to a rain or a snowstorm, but it does feel really good. Arcteryx, you did a really good job in the cut. Oh, maybe because I'm sitting down. The zipper is not zipping properly. If it's a YKK zipper, it'll zip up really well. Awesome. So you got the two side zips. Pretty good so far. Oh man, this hoodie is like ginormous. I can put like a helmet in here or something if I ever need a helmet. I guess if you're riding a bike, mountain climbing, or I don't know, hardcore bouldering, something like that. Really good job. I didn't know how I feel about the grid, how it looks, but like once you wear it, it doesn't look that bad. I mean, I don't know, I'm a pretty ugly dude, so you know, this might make me a +2 or something like that. All right, so one or two things that I have to say, since I actually finally got up, walked around, and just kind of, you know, glanced over this jacket. This thing fits really, really well. I'm about 5'10", 190 pounds or something like that. But my arms, I don't know what my arm length is, but it's nice and, you know, look at it. Look at this. I mean, I can take off the Velcro part and it'll still be about the same length. And from my chest all the way down to my hips, perfect. Like probably the best feeling, best fit jacket I've had in the longest time. My only thing is this hood. Look at this. It looks fine like this, but in reality, look at how much more space there is. Like, I know I'm sitting down, but this is a lot of space. And even though I was to stand up, it would be this much space. And it is ginormous. Like, I had to cinch it down a few spots or else it would just be even bigger. I literally look like the fake Darth Vaders from Spaceballs, except in blue. And it's pretty crazy. Look at this. Jesus. Arcteryx, what? Why? Why is it this big? Love the jacket still, so far. But why is it this big?